Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome back again sa another video na ito. Ang ituturo ko po or ipapakita ko po sa inyo is kung paano po mag-create ng account or mag-register dito sa Payoneer. Again, for the benefit of everyone, ang Payoneer po is an international payment platform na kung saan pwede po tayong mag-receive ng mga transfers, no, remittances or commissions man yan. Kung meron kayong mga affiliate websites or apps na sinasalihan, okay, so Payoneer po is one of the payment gateway na pwede po nating gamitin, no, para lang din po siyang PayPal. So kung nakikita niyo po, get paid by marketplaces and direct clients worldwide po. Okay, dito din po you can explore, no, yung Payoneer site, then makikita niyo po yung mga benefits, ano yung meron dito sa Payoneer. So kung nakikita niyo po ito, no, sign up and earn $25 bonus po. So on my video, on the description below po, ilalagay ko ang Payoneer link, okay, wherein you can register guys and earn your $25 bonus. So just click the link and register po. So let's click po and start the registration. So once you click the sign up and earn $25 bonus, dito po kayo dadalhin sa page na to. Okay, make sure you fill in. Okay, you have to choose po, no? I am a freelancer or online professional. Yan po yung ilalagay natin. My monthly sales volume since bago po dito sa Payoneer. Of course, not earning right now. And then after that, go to that registration na. Okay, click register. Okay, once you click register po, ito na po yung makikita ninyo. Okay, make sure you fill in the blanks po with the right and correct information po. Okay, so dito click nyo po yung individual and then your name. So let's say Juan de la Cruz. This is just an example just to show you how to do it po. Of course, email address. Make sure po yung active email address po yung ilalagay natin. Okay, and then nakalagay, re-enter. Just copy. Oops, sorry. Okay. And then date of birth po natin. This is just for an example. And then click lang po natin yung next. Okay, make sure double check nyo po. Okay, yung full name nyo. Click po natin. And then next page po, makikita nyo of course yung country, Philippines. Address po natin kung saan po tayo nakatira. Make sure yung complete address po yung ilalagay natin. So address line 2 is optional lang po yan. Okay, so kahit leave blank na po natin yan. City po natin, for example, is Makati City tayo. Okay, and then postal code or zip code, of course, every address po yan, meron po kayong mga postal code and zip code. So kung hindi nyo po alam, okay, you can go to Google po and search po natin, no? Yung address with postal code or zip code po. And then mobile number, okay, of course, started with the +63 po yan. And ilalagay po natin yung mobile number natin para ma-receive po natin yung verification code po. So mag-i-start po yan from, okay, 997-950-7249. Okay, yan po yung cellphone number ko. And then i-click lang po natin yung send code po. Okay, so once nakinig niyo po yung send code, okay, may marireceive po kayo na confirmation number. Then, type nyo lang po dito, verification code 435301. And after that, pick nyo po yung next. And then, nakikita nyo po, your username is your email address. And then, gawa po tayo ng password. Make sure po yung password natin is at least 7 characters po siya in combination po of letters, no, and alphabet and with numbers po siya. Okay, so let's put it here. And then re-enter nyo po yung password. Make sure match po yan. Okay, security question, very important po, no? Kailangan tandaan niyo po ito. Okay. This is just for an example only. And then, issuing country of ID, of course, Philippines, that's correct po. What kind of ID? Of course, may pagpipilian po tayo rito, SSS, driving license, national ID, or passport po. Okay, kung driving license po yung gagamitin nyo, just put lang po dito your ID number. Okay, then date of expiration, ilagay nyo lang din po. Okay, and then please enter the code below. So make sure po, no, careful tayo dito sa pag-enter ng code. So minsan pag mali talaga yung code na tinype nyo dyan, okay, magtatagal po kayo dyan. So number 2, CM. Okay, so i-click lang po natin yung next. Tama po yung code natin and almost done na po tayo sa registration. Then ito po yung pinaka-last page mo dito. Ito po yung personal account, of course, no? As an affiliate, as an online professional, bank country, Philippines. Ang currency is nasa PHP. Okay, that's peso po. Then dito po, okay, for the account, bank account registration guide. Okay, just put your bank name and then yung bank name po, no? Kung ano po yung name nyo sa bank, yun po mismo ilalagay nyo. Account holder name, and of course, yung account number. Okay, sorry, what I mean bank name pala guys is yung bank mo. And then account holder name, kung ano po yung name mo doon sa bank. Okay, make sure po, no, kung yun po yung exact name na itatype mo rito, yung account holder name mo. And then, account number. And then dito po, click niyo po natin yung I agree, yung mga terms and conditions, just tick the 2 boxes po, and then submit niyo po siya. So, automatic po, no, ay marireceive kayong email, and then, after that po, no, kailangan din dito ng parang verification. You need to submit your valid government IDs din po, no? Para po siyang, it's a KYC process, no? Know your customers. So, very important po yun, no, sa mga ganitong platform. Okay? So guys, yun lang po, no, ang proseso natin para mag-register dito sa Payoneer para makapag-create po tayo ng account. And then napakadali lang po, no, i-connect lang po natin yung bank account, which is yung po yung ginawa natin. Then from Payoneer po, na-receive na po natin yung funds, papunta na po yun doon sa local bank account natin. And good news po, no, another way of receiving funds then from Payoneer po is through the GCash. Okay, kung meron po kayong GCash, pwede nyo rin po ma-receive yung fund from your Payoneer account through your GCash po. Okay, very convenient na po siya. So again, very simple lang, no? Napakadali lang din po i-link nung Payoneer account nyo po papunta po sa WebTalk. Okay, once set up na po yung Payoneer account nyo, go to your WebTalk account and then click nyo lang po yung link to Payoneer, then automatic bibigyan kayo ng parang login page doon. Ila-login nyo lang po yung Payoneer account nyo, okay, username and yung password na ginawa natin, and automatic link na po yun sa WebTalk account niyo. So again guys, Payoneer po is an international payment platform na pwede po tayo mag-receive ng commission sa kahit saang affiliate man na meron tayong sinasalihan, no? And WebTalk is one, no? So ganun lang po siya kasimple. Again, thank you very much and see you on my next video.